Okay, everything, let's clarify the situation. There has been a humming expectation that XRP will achieve a monumental milestone since day one. Not only was $110,000 a possibility, but it was also a given and an estimate. That forecast just received a massive boost. We are discussing none other than Larry Fink of BlackRock endorsing this image, and he's not just talking about a pitiful $10,000 per share. Whoa, he's making it sound like a basic must. Before we dive right into today's topic, let's quickly touch base. I need a little help. Go ahead and hit the subscribe button, slam that button, and let bell's notification ring. This is where things get juicy. Picture heavyweights. Titans of finance, similar to BlackRock and Vanguard, are now giving XRP serious consideration for their international transactions. Hang on, things will get better. There are murmurs regarding BlackRock releasing an ETF with an XRP focus. Yes, you heard correctly, but there's more. Hold on. Not content to stop there, Larry Fink is now examining the enormous $30 trillion real estate sector, and he has identified the key to its future. You guessed it. The entire system may be tokenized on the XRP ledger thanks to the astounding 1.2 quadrillion worldwide swaps and traders provided by the ISDA. The association is configured to go via the XRP. We're not just talking about $10,000 per XRP here, Ledger and Ripple. That's kids' play. We could be looking at a value explosion of up to $60,000. Let's jump right into the following section. Larry thinks BlackRock just released another explosive. He's not just speaking, he's acting as though Ripple and its digital asset, XRP, are about to do something very significant. Tokenizing every aspect, and in the following, we have a clip that is a component of our video that will draw attention. We won't have to wait much longer because Larry seems to be confirming BlackRock's approach toward an XRP ETF. Here's the clip you've been waiting for. Let me do this. Waiting for the introduction of the Bitcoin ETF is an example of how we're legitimizing it and increasing safety. Are you going to do another ETF? Consider an XRP or an ETF. You have Ether out there, I know that. Consider XRP. Could you respond to that? You don't want me to, and I can't. Yes, I do. Cannot all be in harmony. Give me the WP, please. I'm grateful. We've seen a swirl of abnormalities in the cryptocurrency world in recent days, especially with this XRP image on the well-known exchange Crypto.com, whose value surged to an astounding $43,000. This is not a one-time occurrence. It fits into a larger pattern of XRP's value unexpectedly rising. Recall how just last week, we talked about a $7,000 XRP problem at a major exchange. Well, suddenly now it's Crypto.com's turn. It appears that these abrupt increases in XRP's value are happening more frequently on different exchanges. However, let's switch to something else, something I learned through extensive research that is equally fascinating but unrelated to BlackRock or the general surge in XRP prices. We're going to discuss a subject involving Gary Gensler, the well-known SEC chairman who succeeded Jake Clinton. As the majority of you are probably aware, Gensler constantly rates XRP as a security. This is the interesting part. Robert M. Gensler, Gary's brother, is an astonishingly similar brother who is the same age as Gary. Robert holds a crucial role in T Price as its vice president during this time when you discover that TR Pricing isn't just any investing organization if you look a bit closer. It's a prominent participant in the investment space, largely in XRP, Ethereum, and Bitcoin. Thus, this has an interesting connection. Gary Gensler, however, was at the steering wheel. XRP is still classified as a security by the SEC. His twin brother is a major shareholder in an investing company that holds a sizable position in XRP and other cryptocurrencies. It's an exciting position. That brings up a lot of issues. regarding the complex forces at work in the realm of cryptocurrency investments and regulations, which leads us to the intriguing possibility that the Vice President of T. Rowe Price, Robert Gendler, has unique knowledge of how much potential XRP has, much like Bitcoin and Ethereum. This theory has become more popular. When you take into account the company's large holdings in these three cryptocurrencies, while the SEC openly denies any insider trading, several studies and papers have indicated differently. These studies, which center on insider trading and market manipulation, have frequently highlighted dubious SEC operations. It seems that a trend is emerging. SEC officials appear to be informing their family members about which digital assets could soon be freed from the classification as securities. These relatives then make early investments in these assets, and when the asset is formally deemed to be not a security, its value soars, enabling these friends and family members to profit handsomely from buying low and selling high in this situation. Let's examine the probability that Robert and Gendler had inside information about the SEC's possible defeat in a lawsuit against XRP from his brother Gary Gendler. Such information might imply that Congress will push for a settlement. Between the SEC and Ripple Labs, now is the perfect time for astute investors to purchase XRP, but as the price of the cryptocurrency increases, money is being directed toward Bitcoin, Ethereum, and, most importantly, XRP, adding another chapter to this story. The cryptocurrency community is abuzz with talk of XRP possibly rising to $10,000, $20,000, or even $60,000, especially from analysts who have been bullish on the asset, such as Jack the Ripper forecasts a sharp increase in value that could eclipse $589. Despite being audacious, this forecast highlights the increased interest and conjecture surrounding XRP and its potential in the cryptocurrency space. Wall Street is vying for a piece of the profitable XRP pie, and based on my intuition, the first significant move will come through an XRP ETF. However, let's delve deeper into this development. We have some fascinating news from Crypt Basics. The revelation from an analyst that JP Morgan has made a big move into XRP has caught the interest of a former Ripple director. This revelation made me wonder, and it's something we need to investigate more. The narrative proceeds as follows. An influential person in the cryptocurrency world stated that Ben Armstrong was formerly connected to the BitBoy cryptocurrency business, which sparked a backlash from an ex-Ripple director after it was claimed that JP Morgan had invested in XRP. According to him, JP Morgan possesses an impressive 7.5 million XRP tokens. Armstrong continues by stating that this transaction represented roughly 7.5% of JP Morgan's overall fortune, but to put that into perspective, the math in this claim looks wildly incorrect. 7.5 million XRP, valued at 4.46 million currently, is not even close to representing 7.5% of JP Morgan's wealth, given that JP Morgan's total assets, as of the 2023 valuation, total a staggering $3.89 trillion. Despite his emphasis, Armstrong's calculation doesn't exactly add up. The significance of JP Morgan's alleged plan, which, in his opinion, suggests that they have been quietly hoarding XRP, establishes JP Morgan as a rising powerhouse in the cryptocurrency space. Thus, we have a story about Wall Street titans like JP Morgan possibly entering the cryptocurrency space, particularly with XRP. Although the math may not add up to 100%, it's still worth considering that big banks are getting involved in the space. With XRP at the heart of some intriguing occurrences, it signals a bigger trend of traditional finance colliding with the digital currency field. Armstrong's audacious remarks have also brought attention to BlackRock. The giant of asset management is heating things with assertions that BlackRock has just received shareholder approval. Armstrong didn't stop there. He's also enlarging, as the Bitcoin ETF is currently considering XRP for its investment portfolio. The fact that these financial behemoths are investing in XRP despite the ongoing legal drama between Ripple and the US SEC suggests a strong conviction in XRP's bright future. Consider if this. Here's the thing, if the accumulating tendency is real, it means that major financial firms are placing bets on XRP despite its frequent volatility. The adoption of cryptocurrency by Wall Street was always inevitable. I've been discussing this for more than 5 years, but at the time, it seemed like a pipe dream. However, considering where Bitcoin is now and the likelihood that XRP won't follow suit, I would have to respectfully disagree that the question is not if but when. That being said, the particular situation depicted in Armstrong's picture that may not be the complete picture, but, get this, the story becomes more complex in response to Armstrong's shocking assertions. Former Ripple director Matt Hamilton added a healthy dose of skepticism, questioning the authenticity of such a purchase as well as the real impact it would have on XRP considering the token's enormous. Hamilton pulls out the calculator after supply with 100 billion XRP in circulation. 7.5 million XRP represents just 0.075% of what we're talking about. In response to Armstrong's assertions that it's a cheesy homage to the frequently fantastic nature of Armstrong's statements, indicating you'd almost need a satirical lens to make sense of it all, Hamilton even joked, "I guess this is a parody account." Since the math speaks for itself, let's analyze it. Hamilton nailed the numbers for himself. Highlighting the major errors in the initial assertion, it's obvious as day that the statistics don't line up, but this got me wondering, where did this incredible story even start? Fortunately, guys, I conducted some research and found the answer. Now that I've located the source, which is amazing, you have it in the intricate and frequently unclear. It's imperative to remain as astute and perceptive as ever in the field of crypto reporting. Please let me guide you through these murky waters with the truth. I'm here to help. Recall that I am not a certified financial advisor and that the video material is only meant for your amusement. Objectives: I always advise viewers that before making any financial decisions, they should do their research and speak with experts. Many thanks. If you liked the video, please tune in. Would you kindly give it a thumbs up and remember to click the subscribe button as well? Ensure that the notifications are turned on to receive notifications as soon as I upload new content. I'm looking forward to catching up with you in the next video.